channel. I hope that you guys are doing absolutely well. और आज की वीडियो के बारे में आप टाइटल से समझ गए होंगे that I would be reviewing and hauling few tops which I've got from Amazon and कुछ मिंत्रा से भी हैं. And to my surprise, all the tops are so pretty, quality is so amazing and सबसे अच्छी बात बहुत ज़्यादा अफोर्डेबल भी हैं. सारे के सारे टॉप्स जो है अंडर 500 रुपीज़ हैं एंड मैंने इनको अपने स्टाइल में थोड़ा बहुत स्टाइल भी किया है. सो आई होप दैट यू विल लाइक दिस वीडियो. आपको मेरी चॉइसेस अच्छी लगेंगी. अगर ऐसा हो जाता है देन डू क्लिक ऑन दी लाइक बटन. प्लीज लाइक का बटन दबाओ और मुझे बताओ कि आपको वीडियो कैसे लगी. कमेंट करो और अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल पे सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा है देन प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो follow me on my Instagram account. I put lot of stories, lot of videos and lot of activities go over there. So yeah, ये था सारा लंबा सा introduction. Now let's quickly start with this video.
Okay guys, so the first top which I have with me is this black color peplum top from the brand Nitwan. Now this one has got round neck and then it has got 3/4 quarter peplum sleeves. It has this very vibrant woven embroidery with the small mirrors in the front, and this embroidery adds such a nice contrast to the black base of this top. It looks so bright and preppy, and yeah, it's kind of plain from the back. You also get bunch of other colors in this top. I'll put the links in the description box. You can check them out. Now talking about the fabric, it is of viscose rayon, super soft, very comfortable, very easy breezy on your skin, and I am wearing size medium over here and the fitting is comfortable for me. It's not very tight, not very loose. It's just a perfect peplum top as it has got the flare at the right place, and if you are looking for a comfortable fitting then you can go for this size. I'll also mention my measurements in the description box. I've styled this top with the light color jeans and boot to complete my look. I got it for rupees 400 something and I'm pretty amazed by the quality, style, fitting and everything about this top is just fabulous. In fact, I think it is much more prettier than it's shown in the picture, so I would highly recommend this top to you guys. Alright guys, so the next top which I have with me is this very stylish black rainbow t-shirt. Now this one has got high neck with these kind of multicolor rainbow patch thing attached to it. Then we have got short sleeves and again we have this kind of multiple color patch over here. Also it's a long t-shirt and it looks really good when you tuck it inside and then wear it. Talking about the fabric, इसका जो fabric है is of cotton and it is of very good quality, super soft and smooth on skin. It is little bit thick and it is not at all transparent. It has also got a little bit stretch to it. The fabric is of very good quality, I would just say that. I am wearing size medium over here and it fits me absolutely nicely. I styled it with the light color denims, boots and sling bag to complete my look. You can also wear it with the shoes to give that casual look. Overall, I feel it's a very rich looking, very classy, chic and a very latest fashionable top. It's an easy to wear top and it's perfect wear combination of comfort and fashion. I just got it for rupees 399 only and for this price, I think it's a steal. You should definitely buy this one. Alright, next up I have this very classy bohemian top from the brand Punk. It has got round neck, 3/4 quarter sleeves and then it has got this navy, rust orange and beige print in the front which adds such a good contrast to the navy blue base of this top. It looks so good. Talking about the fabric, it is of polyester and I find it very soft on my skin. It's very easy breezy, super comfortable. It feels like makhan and it is so good to wear. Coming to the size, I am wearing size medium over here and it has got loose kind of fitting as you can see on the screen. It is not like very fitted top and it looks really cute after wearing and is very comfortable on skin as well. I've teamed it up with the white jeans, white heels, white earrings over here. You can also pair it up with the light color jeans. It would look absolutely good with that as well. Overall for this one, I feel it's a very nice top. The design pattern is good and everything I like about this top. This top you can wear for your after office party or day out with your friends. The good thing about this top is that it looks stylish and it is very very comfortable at the same time. Okay, next up I have this very vibrant and pretty mustard color top from the brand Harpa. Now this one has got wrap style v-neck and then it has got very stylish short sleeves. It has got this kind of a belt which you need to tie around your waist and you can see it is so long. Now talking about some good things and bad things of this top. First of all, the color of this top is very quirky, full of life, very bright and looks very good. By the way, you also get some other colors in this top. I'll put the links in the description box. Secondly, the print of the polka dot on this top looks really amazing. Thirdly, the fabric is of polyester and it is very soft, very smooth and comfortable on skin. So the fabric is good. Now let me just quickly tell you a few things which I did not like about this top. Firstly, I feel it is very difficult to wear this top. It took me around 10 to 15 minutes to wear this top. It is very very difficult. Secondly, I feel that it's a V-neck wrap style top as you can see, and it doesn't stay at its place, so you have to wear a spaghetti inside and then you have to put a stitch button or a safety pin or something so that it doesn't move from its place, otherwise it is very uncomfortable. So overall I feel that look wise this top looks really good. The color is very pleasing, but if I need to wear it in a real case scenario, it would be quite difficult and complex for me. So yeah, you can take your call, and yeah, that's about this top. Next, I have this absolute favorite top of mine. It is a black double layer top. It has got a round neck with the lace detailing on it. Then it has got this kind of a double layering to it, which makes this top look really really stylish. And talking about the sleeves, it has got full sleeves which are kind of flary at the cuff part, and they also look very very trendy. Fabric is of polyester and very very easy breezy and very comfortable to wear. Talking about the back styling, it has got the keyhole styling at the back and the same lace thing and the double layering at the back as well. Size is medium and I am very very satisfied with the top fitting. For rupees 700 and is the most expensive one in this haul. However, it completely justifies its price. I've clubbed this beautiful piece with the distressed denims and pumps to complete the look. It is perfect option for parties and get-togethers.
The sun is coming up again, looking like it's gonna be a problem, cause I'd be lying to you if I said this ain't a thing and I've been looking for a new one. I keep on waiting for the weekend. Gonna hit you.
Moving on, I got this white frilled strappy crop top. It is a crop top, but still girls with a heavy bust or those who are curvy can easily pull it off, as it has this ruffle in the front which makes this top look really decent and very very stylish as well. Also, it has got crossing shoulder straps at the back which again make it look very trendy and very stylish from the back as well. Fabric is of synthetic and looks of very very good quality. Also, as it is a crop top, it will show off your waist, and if you want to hide your waist, you can wear it with high-waisted jeans, trouser, skirt or plazo. I have styled it with the high-waisted plazo and I'm so happy how this pairing has turned out to be. It looks so nice. Again, you can choose your size depending how you want the fitting to be. To sum up, it is a high quality, perfect bodycon fit top. I'm loving the overall look of this top and you can definitely style it in so many ways. Next, I have this floral regular fit top from Styleville brand. First of all, it has got high neckline and full sleeves, so you are covered in this summers. It is kind of a peplum top, fit from the top and then little bit flary at the bottom. Also, you will find these kind of pleat detailings at the waist which adds more style to this top. It has got stylish sleeves sleeves with these kind of the detailing and the elastic at the cuffs. Color of this top is very beautiful, and the light color floral print on the top of it makes it look more elegant and classy. Fabric is of polyester, very soft and smooth to wear, though you need to wear an inner inside it because it's transparent. I am wearing medium size and it fits me perfectly. Also, there is a keyhole detailing at the back to give great fitting to the top. I have got it for rupees 400 and I am so happy with the color, fitting, style, and especially the quality of this top is just amazing. It is an easy to wear top and it is a perfect combination of comfort and fashion. This top can be flaunted at your after office party or a day out with your friends.
Yeah. All I wanna do is feel awesome. Yeah. Baby, can you make me feel awesome? Up and down, side to side, and then back and forth. Up all night again, me and you, left and right, and then whoa.
Hey guys, so yeah, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, found it useful. अगर आपको कुछ भी अच्छा लगा, then do like, comment, share, subscribe. सारे के सारे rituals कर दो. And yeah, I'll see you next time with another video. Till then, you take care of yourself. Tada, bye bye.